Losing weight is hard. Getting in shape is hard. Staying that way is nearly impossible for most of us. You have to focus, commit, dedicate yourself. Well, not anymore. Science and technology combine to help you easily lose weight, get fit, and take years off your appearance, and burn up to 600 calories each half hour without lifting a finger. Watch your favorite TV show as the comforting, far-infrared, deep-penetrating heat does most of the work for you. You will gain momentum. Then choose from hundreds of training videos. Go from hot yoga to intense fitness in seconds. Preheat, then safely work arms, shoulders, chest, hips, and legs, all while getting a bonus cardiovascular workout. Experts compare 5-minute workouts in FitSauna to an hour in the gym, all in the privacy of your own home. A valuable escape that is pleasantly addictive. Start your transformation today. Reward yourself every day for the rest of your life. Start warm, then get hot.